All right. No, I know. So I'm not gonna be doing face cam anymore, just 'cause if I'm taking trades on my computer, I want to be able to post like shorts and post this on TikTok without having my face in it, 'cause it's gonna be sped up and I'll look like a goober. But yeah, so I got Trading View up on my second monitor to see shit that forms like an SMT. Um, but yeah, I'm not expecting a trade. No news today. Or wait, this is not today. No news today. Bank holiday tomorrow. No news Wednesday. Tentative CPI Thursday. Tentative CPI PPI Thursday, Friday. So yeah, I'm not expecting to catch a trade. So I don't even know if this is gonna get posted. But yeah, I'm gonna be simulating a funded account now. So if I lose 2K, then the account is blown. And if I have a 2K, if I'm up 2K, then I can't go down to 50K or else the account is blown. And then once I'm past 2K, like let's say I'm at like 52 or 50, 54, no wait, 53, wait, 55, then the buffer is 52 is the max I could go down to. But yeah. We'll see. We have unfilled 15 minutes. We have session highs and lows. We've been consolidating all of pretty much all of after London. So yeah. If we get a higher time frame breaker structure, then I'll take longs. I am bullish as of now, but we have just been dropping for a little bit now. Government shutdown is like pretty much done. And yeah, fear and greed index. Shit, hold on. I gotta pull this up. Fear and greed, extreme fear. So yeah, if we get a higher time frame breaker structure, then I'll just enter into a long. And yeah. Let me go write this down. But yeah, I've been doing pretty shitty because of this government shutdown. Well, I really can't blame the government shutdown, not gonna lie. I've just been doing shitty. I do tend to do good with no news for some reason, like when backtesting. But backtesting is different from forward testing, so yeah. But yeah, we'll wait to see what forms. We have these unfilled 15 minutes and this London low, Asia low. Wait, is this Asia low? No. Wait. This is Asia low. And yeah, I'm gonna start using like 5 minute CISD instead of just looking for 1 minute confluences because I find that the 1 minute would be doing pretty shitty. So yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. Like I said before, I'm not expecting a trade. But if something forms, then something forms. We do have this 15 minute that hasn't been rebalanced. You just gotta tap into it. But yeah. Wait for a higher time frame breaker structure or CISD. So like this, we were changing state with this. We aren't breaking below these lows. We are breaking above these highs though. So that's also making me bullish. But yeah. Let me pull up the market panel, or not market panel, order panel, and just have 1% risk. Yeah, dog. The only real, holy shit, bro. The only real clear draw on liquidity is up here, and we are in this 1 hour fair value gap. We have just been displacing lower, but then we started to get a push. We got some nice bullish candles up here. We did form BPR from here to here. Probably there's a higher time frame BPR. Yeah, so from here to here, we had this big, we inverse this plus this, violent move down, then a violent move up, so we could come down there, fill that, and then just fucking bull run. So yeah. Yep, we'll see what happens. Let's see what could have done on the 1 minute. So 1 minute CISD. Let me start pushing up. Let's look at the 2 minute fair value gap formed. Wish I was able to look at the fucking 4 minute on what is it, Trade Locker. But it's whatever. If I want to be, I think I'll only enter off of like an SMT. I do got to do more research. I've been slacking recently. I've said that for like the past 2-3 weeks, but been having a stressful week. Stressful few weeks. That's not an excuse. It's not an excuse. So we have this 3 minute fair value gap. We have 3 minute CISD here. We weren't breaking below these lows, but we are breaking above these highs. Break a structure, whatever. So I think I'm gonna be bullish for the day if I do want to enter. Unless we just sweep on the higher time frame. If we change state of delivery in the 3 minute, pushing below this London high, sweepage of liquidity, bang. Look for a short. But yeah. This is looking pretty nice. So If we end up respecting that, then I'll probably take a long. I'll probably just do like a 1-to-1 or some shit. We probably have a bunch of unfilled 15s in this higher time frame for value gap. Yeah, like here. I'm just mark it out like this. I'm gonna get rid of this because it's low-key a pain in the ass to look at. Just fucks with my eyes. So yeah, we are going higher. We have these probably a 5-minute fair value gap about to form. Yeah. Right here. Got a 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, we'll just wait and see. I'm not expecting to take a trade, but like if shit forms, bro, I'm finna fucking execute on this hoe. We are continuing higher. So yeah. Like us to probably start dropping a bit. Rebalance the range. Because we are just pushing up. I woke up super late this morning. Woke up at like 8, bruh. Shit was cooked. Do you think we're gonna break the higher time frame? We're gonna break structure on the higher time frame, break above that what is it? London high, so low key I think we're probably just gonna come up here. Where's my draft? There. So wait for some confluences to get hit. It's a likely area to reverse off of that 15-minute unfilled. I mean, we could come up to here, but I'm just gonna go for whatever because I'm simulating a funded. Also, let me know in the comments if anybody's even watching this. What trading or not trading? What prop firm do you guys use? Because like I want to use Top Step, but like I see a bunch of other videos talking about like what is it? Top Step is low-key like shitty. I see a lot of people using alpha futures because like you can get fucking what is it called? Discount codes. You can get discount codes for Top Step or not Top Step alpha futures. It's like always running. So like I don't know. I might use Top Step. Not Top. Well, yeah, I'm probably gonna be using Top Step, but like yeah. If we change CISD or if we change the state of delivery on like the 3-minute or the 2-minute, I mean, then I might just be bearish. But I'd like us to probably form EQ. and there's two confluences right there. Let's fucking enter right here. It is looking pretty nice. We are just displacing higher though, so what goes up must come down is what I've started to see. Like we'll get a big violent push up, but then we're gonna have to probably come down. Not probably, we're gonna have to come down. But it's just a matter of time. Like during like lunch, New York lunch session, we drop and we take liquidity. And then we just and then like PM session we go higher. I look got a shit, bro. Oh shit, I gotta deliver this package. Low-key forgot about that shit. I gotta fucking print that shit out. Yeah, but we'll wait and see what forms. This 2-minute is looking nice though, but we haven't started to get a little bit of a push down, which I'd like us to get a bit of a push down. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute is looking pretty choppy. Not choppy, but like got just wicks. So and yeah, I reset the account balance on this because, like I said before, simulating a funded. If I start to see like reversal off of this 15-minute, then I'm gonna go for shorts. And I'll just go for like market open low, which is this. But I'll probably just do a 1-to-1, if so. But I would like us to get a bit of like a continuation confluences going and shit. Like I said before, 2-minute fair value gap plus this 2-minute EQ. Tapping it, going into this unfilled 15-minute. Let's actually look to see if there's actually any more unfilled 15s. I mean, yeah, we got this other unfilled 15. Let me also color these. Shit. I'll color them red because they're bearish fair value gaps. Not no bullish. I'd like us to see a bit of a push, start a push downwards just to go fill some orders. Let's see, so people definitely entered off of this fair value gap getting inverse plus this break structure / CISD. But yeah. I have like two strategies that I use. I use continuation and then confirmation confluences. So like CISD. Like sometimes when I backtest, I'll enter straight off like the inverse in CISD. And then sometimes it really just depends how I feel. I don't know. I should be sticking to one though. Whichever I'll backtest both and see whichever one works the best for me. I'd like us to rebalance this range. Tap into this fair value gap on the 2-minute. Probably on the 5-minute as well. Let me peep the 5-minute. Yeah, so we could rebalance this whole range on the 5-minute. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. Right here would be my ideal entry if we rebalance that whole 5-minute range. Stop loss underneath EQ. So we'll just wait. I gotta be sticking to my plan. I can't be going off course. There we go. Let's start to get a bit more of a push down. But at the same time, if we inverse this 5-minute, then I'm getting analysis paralysis. Let's just see us tap into. I mean, we could. My original idea could be doing what I originally thought. So we did tap into EQ. Ideally, I would like to enter here. Tap into that higher time frame, unfilled 15. No, tap into that unfilled 15. Tap into this 2-minute EQ, 2-minute fair value gap. Also got to remember, these are just demo funds at the end of the day. So are prop firms. They're pretty much just demo funds. You're only paying like what, 50 for the actual shit, and then, well, for Top Step 150 for the activation. But yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. This would be my ideal entry. Let's see a tap into that 2-minute. So we're getting the tap in. Now let's get some buy power out. Let me get rid of this because I'm not even in it. I'm not even in trade. Let's get that buy power. And let's not see ISD of this 2-minute range. That would not be nice. Let's look at the 1-minute, matter of fact. Just 1-minute entries. Yeah, we did get we did get consecutive candles to the upside. Still wait for that 2-minute. Because it's a I'm focusing on the 2-minute like that, but I'm entering off of the 1-minute. So we are getting buy power. Let's get a candle closure on the 2-minute above that. Might enter. We'll just wait for the candle closure. This is like the ideal time I do want to enter. Yeah, I think we're going to be respecting that. So we're already in drawdown, but it's whatever. We did rebalance this 2-minute. So yeah, I feel confident about this. But knowing me, I'll probably get fucked. We did respect the 2-minute, which is also nice, but we are pushing down. What's up with that freeze? We'll wait and see what happens. Let me write this down, matter of fact. Probably gonna get stopped out like soon. Not gonna lie. I just got that feeling. Got that feeling. But I'm not gonna close the trade early. 52. If I lose, I lose. It's whatever. Let's maybe not get the candle closure under it. Underneath the 2-minute. What I should probably start doing is having my stop loss a bit underneath it. So like right here is where I should be having my stop loss. Instead of right at the EQ. But yeah, so we did get the candle closure underneath it, but at the same time, it's a higher time frame. What the fuck? It's like a 5-minute fair value gap, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so we did just tap into the 5-minute. Alright, we'll just wait and see, bro. We didn't change state of delivery, which is nice on the 2-minute. Let me move this over. Just because, for, what's it called? For the YouTube. For the shorts. For the YouTube shorts. Yeah, so we did break underneath the 2-minute, but at the same time, there's a higher time frame for a value gap. I just repeat myself all the time. Holy fuck. Like a fucking parrot, bruh. It's fucking repeat, 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 repeat. But yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. I do think we're gonna go into that unfilled 15 though. Let's look at the 1-minute instead of the 2-minute. We did get like pretty shitty price action right here, just down, up, down. Now we're getting some nice movements to the upside. We didn't change state of delivery on the 2-minute, which is nice for me. Let's look back at the 5-minute. Yeah, we rebalanced this 5-minute fair value gap. Edged my stop loss. Where the fuck is my tissue? Did I throw it out? Bro. But yeah. We'll wait and see. I gotta sneeze. Let me move my mouse out the way. But yeah. We'll just wait and see what happens. I don't think I'll break even on this. Or I'll just break even once we hit this. Once we push past this. But yeah. Definitely should be using the 5-minute more. Instead of like the 2 and the 3 like that. But yeah, we'll just wait and see, bro. Once we break above here, then I'll break even. Let me have my finger on the break even. The break even button. Let me also write this down in my journal. What day is it? The 10th? All right, so we did break above, so I'm gonna break even. I'm not gonna trim my stop loss at all. Yeah, I feel confident about this now that we're actually moving in the up direction. I mean, I was feeling confident about this in the first place, but once we inverse that, I was low-key getting a little bit nervous. But then I remembered higher time frames hold higher powers. I remembered we had this higher time frame for a value gap that we ended up just rebalancing and respecting. So yeah. Let's go tap into that what is it? Fuck. That higher time frame for a value gap. That 15-minute. Let's get a tappage into it. We are getting a push down, but I'm not gonna worry about that. Let's look at the 2, 3, or 2. We did tap into this fair value gap right here. But this fair value gap is looking nice. We didn't break below. We did break above. We got a 1 hour break of structure. It looks like I might get broke even on this. Do I want to keep my stop loss here? I think I might just I'll move my stop loss here. Just because I do feel confident we will go up and break or tap into that higher time frame for value gap. I don't want to get broke even. Because I'm getting like flashbacks from when I did do some shit like that and I ended up getting broke even. And then we ran into my TP. But yeah, we broke above the London high on the 1 hour because it's 10:01 now. But yeah, let's get that rally to my TP, blood. Just looking at ES and NASDAQ, we don't get a SMT. We do get a SMT to the downside though on the 5-minute. From 9:55 or from 9:45 to 9:55. But we did break above London highs. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It's whatever. Got my stop loss right here. Let me get rid of order panel. Keep this up. But yeah. Here to here. Oh, there's some shit in my eye. We didn't break below this fair value gap on the 1-minute. We rebalance the 2-minute. Let me actually have my shit at underneath here. Because that's 2-minute CISD. Still feel confident about this just because we do have that unfilled 15. Let's see, what would it have been if I... So 1 to 1.11. If I just exited at the top of EQ, but on field 15, so let's see that rally to the unfilled 15. That would be super nice. Let's get some shit like this, bro. It's whatever. Brr, it's fucking cold in this bitch, bro. Show you guys what I mean by the SMT. See right here. NASDAQ being the, or ES being the leading one, while NASDAQ is the lagging. So we could just manipulate higher, tapping into that unfilled 15, which would be nice, and then just start dropping. But at the same time, wait, did we break? No, we didn't break out of that 1 hour fair value gap that I had up before. We didn't break above it on ES. We did not inverse it on ES. But yeah, we'll just wait and see, bro. I do have my TP like a bit above the fair value gap, so I should probably have it right at the fair value gap. There we go. So it's a 1 to 7, or 1 to 1.7. 8. I could have left my shit at break even, but just to be 100%, like, just because I do think it's gonna go up to that on field 15. I do think. But we'll just wait and see. We aren't pushing below lows, which is nice, but we're pushing above highs. Like bang, change the state of delivery, but we're not pushing below there. If we push below like a 2-minute, aka this, did push above that, we push below this, then I'll be like, okay. Just texting me. But yeah, we'll just wait and see what fucking happens. I'm like a fucking broken record. We are like pretty much like struggling to push past this. I know we pushed past this on the 1 minute, but it was a push up and a push down. So, yeah. And now we're kind of we're literally just wicking above this. So, just a patience game at this point, bro. Because I have the feeling we're gonna go to that unfilled 15. I just have that gut feeling. We did push past the SMT that that I thought we had, which is pretty nice. I got to do more research with SMTs. I also want to learn sequential SMTs. Someone was talking to me about that. Someone in my Discord. Speaking of, if y'all want to join my Discord, feel free. I'm live usually every night. Around like 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Either 5 or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when I'm live. Taking a snapshot. Save. Day is it the 10th? Bro, I can't upload it. That's fucked. That's fucked. Can I upload it? Bro. Yeah, we'll just wait and fucking see, bro. Because, bro, I did think we're gonna go tap into that fucking unfilled 15. Yeah, we have some nice consecutive candles to the upside on the 3 minute, probably on the 5 minute as well. Yeah, 5 minute consecutive candles to the upside. Looking nice, looking neat, looking demure. Let's go back on the 1 minute instead of the 5. I think I'll break even now, not gonna lie. Just cause we do have these up close. If I get stopped out now, I get stopped out. Which it is looking like we're gonna get stopped out. In my opinion. But Yeah, what goes up must come down, so do still have a strong feeling we will go up to that unfilled 15. It's like close now. Even though there's like 10 seconds left till the candle closes. It's close now and then just start fucking pushing. We are sweeping. We aren't pushing above. There we go. Let's get the push up. Let's get the 2. We haven't closed underneath these consecutive. Same with, oh, well, we did on the 3. But on the 5-minute, we have these. So we could have just been going to grab orders. If I got broke even and then we rallied to my TP, bro, I probably would have, like, lost my shit. Not gonna lie. Yeah, so on the 2-minute, we didn't CISD. But on the 1-minute, we did. Gotta remember, higher time frames hold higher powers. We got that big downwards candle. But I do feel strong about this unfilled 15. Taking a quick peek on NASDAQ. Or not NASDAQ. Well, yeah, on NASDAQ on what is it? Fucking trading view real quick. Yeah, so we didn't tap into it yet. Which is nice. That's nice. I'm still waiting for the tap in. Literally just pretty much edged my TP. How many oh shit, I didn't mean to duplicate it. Literally fucking 9 bars. Fucking 5 ticks away from my TP, bro. That's cooked. It's fucking cooked. Let me get it. Let me post the video on TikTok. Actually not. Because I'm gonna end up posting a video. Let's check the 5-minute again. Yeah, so we did actually just tap into a fair value gap. Wait, let me see if I'm still recording. I am. Okay, good. I was gonna say, bro, I'm not fucking recording. This shit would be useless. Because I'm just talking to myself. I'm not gonna panic exit. But we have sweeped. We're literally just getting wicks above. We're not getting full candle closures above. Which isn't nice, isn't valid. So might get broke even right here. Bang. Broke even. And I'm down 32 or like 30 some. 27. So yeah. Still think we're gonna go up and go up to TP. But we'll just wait and see what happens. I'm gonna end the video here though. And I'm just gonna wait and see. Got broke even on the day. Well, pretty much not really broke even, just fucking minus 27. But let's see if I kept my stop loss at this 3-minute CISD. So if I had it here, I'll have a candle right here. Not candle. This shit's right there. Watch, we're gonna fucking rally to my TP, bro. I'm gonna lose my shit. Cause dog, that shit is cooked. Alright. We're already rallying up. Oh, that's so cooked. Let's see what fucking happens, bro. Let's see what fucking happens. I'm just gonna wait to see. I'm not gonna close the video yet. I definitely should have kept my stop loss at the 3-minute CISD or the 2-minute CISD that I had. But yeah, we'll wait and see. Okay, so what I need to do is wait for a candle closure on the higher time frame to break even. Like, bro, we're already rallying higher. Dog, we're gonna go hit my TP. I just have that fucking feeling, bro. I literally said I fucking knew we were gonna go to that. And would you look at it now? We're going to fucking hit that unfilled 15. I definitely think we're gonna go hit that unfilled 15. I definitely should have waited to break even. I need to use 5-minute highs as my break even mark. So when we break above a 5-minute high is when I'll break even. Like, if we break above this right now, then I would have broke even. Low-key panic broke even. So it's whatever, bro. You live and you learn. 1% every day. We'll just wait and see what happens. I'm not gonna re-enter into a trade because we're already fucking almost an hour after market open. I definitely think we're gonna go hit my TP. I literally had that gut feeling, bro. I shouldn't have broken even that early. Or that, like, I shouldn't have panic broke even. Should have waited for that 3 minute C. I should have had it where I had it before. Yeah, would you look at that? We got that rally up, and yeah, we're definitely gonna go tap into it. Let's go. Let's get the tap in. All I care about low key is just being like correct at the end of the day. My bias was correct. My shits was correct. Yeah, bang. Yeah, so I shouldn't have panic broke even because I don't. Y'all definitely saw. I saw this push down and I was like, let me break even. But yeah, you live and you learn. We literally got to tap in, and we're probably gonna rally, or drop a bit. So yeah, something I learned from today is to wait for a 5 minute high to get broken. So like right here is where I should have broke even. Right at this candle, instead of waiting, or instead of panicking right here on the 1 minute, right here, because I'm pretty sure that's where. And yeah, we broke even. I literally said it before. I had fucking flashbacks from the last time that shit happened. Where's my pen? Because I need to write this down. But yeah, bro. Would have had a winning day, but it's whatever. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Stay tuned for not tomorrow, because bank holiday. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for today's video. No face cam for the rest of the time with these videos, because I'm going to be posting these on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And yeah, peace.